Best, where I will bring you the best of the best and more. Well, today I am making an old-time classic, down south peach cobbler. This is an easy peach cobbler. It takes no rolling of crust, no making crust. This is peach cobbler the easiest way I know, and still get the delicious peach cobbler taste. So here I have in my bowl 4 cups of self-rising flour plus 4 teaspoons of cinnamon. I'm going to add to that 4 cups of sugar. I'm going to mix those two things together. So it's just the flour and the sugar combined with the cinnamon. And now that I have those combined pretty well, I am going to add 4 cups of milk. Now this is 2% milk. You can use whole milk for this recipe, just that I had 2% milk, so I'm using 2% milk. So I'm going to add that in. All at once. So I know that you probably have had peach cobbler before, and you think about how much work must go into making a peach cobbler, and it is a lot of work. My mom used to make them all the time, but she is an expert at making pie crust, and I'm still learning that art of making a pie crust. I'm not that good at it, so when I found this recipe, it was just what I wanted. I had seen a recipe like this before many times at one of my aunt's house. Her sister used to make it all the time. And if you saw my apple cobbler video, I mentioned that's where I got the inspiration for this. And this is what she used to make. This was Aunt Jerry's recipe for peach cobbler. Quick and easy peach cobbler. And so I'm just getting most of the lumps out. You don't have to worry about getting all the lumps out, because they will bake out with all the juice from the peaches. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour this mixture into this pan where I have a whole pound of butter. This is a pound of butter. I used half unsalted butter and half salted butter. So just make sure I get all of this in. Okay. I'm just making sure that I got all of it in. So now I'm gonna pour it into this pan with my butter. I had a smaller pan earlier, but I'm glad I moved to the bigger one. Yes. So I want to get all that batter in. And this is the giant size can of peaches. I think it's 106 ounces of peaches with a heavy syrup. So that's the one you want. You want the peaches, sliced peaches in heavy syrup. You also could use the chopped peaches or the peach pieces or whatever, as long as you have 106 ounces for this size recipe, because this one is going to make this big pan full of this peach cobbler goodness. So I'm gonna pour this just on top, just like that, and just like that, we are ready for the oven. See how quick that was? Quick and easy. That's what it is. Sometimes you want something that's gonna be good and delicious, but you don't want to spend all day doing it. This is one of the recipes that you want to do. You're going to a dinner party and you want to bring something that's going to be delicious. This is your recipe. This is the fan favorite every time, I guarantee it. So I'm gonna put this into an oven, 375. I'm gonna bake this until it comes out nice and golden, probably about 45 to 50 minutes. And I'll see you when it's out. So we are back. My peach cobbler is done. It is golden brown and delicious with the little wiggle of all the juices that are in there. I cannot wait to taste this. So I hope you try this peach cobbler recipe. It's super easy, super fast, super delicious. So please remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a new video. And please, if you have a request, leave it in the comments section so that I can make a recipe for you. So I thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye for now.